Here's some Industrial Revolution trivia. Subscribe. Who is known for the loom design in factories? Is it A. Edmund Cartwright, B. James Hargreaves, C. Samuel Morse, or D. Richard Arkwright? The correct answer is A. Edmund Cartwright. What type of engine was paramount to the revolution? Is it A. electric engine, B. diesel engine, C. steam engine, or D. internal combustion? The correct answer is C. steam engine. What device replaced manual weaving in factories? Is it A. hand loom, B. knitting machine, C. power loom, or D. spinning wheel? The correct answer is C. power loom. What social class emerged during the revolution? Is it A. middle class, B. upper class, C. peasant class, or D. noble class? The correct answer is A. middle class. What textile innovation was patented in 1770? Is it A. power loom, B. jacquard loom, C. spinning frame, or D. cotton gin? The correct answer is C. spinning frame. Which factory system became a blueprint for others? Is it A. factory system, B. cotton mill, C. steam engine, or D. Lowell system? The correct answer is D. Lowell system. Who wrote The Wealth of Nations in 1776? Is it A. John Locke, B. David Hume, C. Adam Smith, or D. Karl Marx? The correct answer is C. Adam Smith. What movement sought to improve working conditions? Is it A. environmentalism, B. labor movement, C. abolitionist movement, or D. socialist party? The correct answer is B. labor movement. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.